Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If the NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay isn't working, here's how to fix it. First, make sure the in-game overlay is enabled. Open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app and click the gear icon in the top right to access settings. In the General tab, scroll down and ensure in-game overlay is turned on. Next, check if your graphic drivers are up to date. Go to the Drivers tab in GeForce Experience and click Check for updates. If an update is available, download it and install it. If the issue persists, reset the overlay settings. Open the in-game overlay settings. Go to Settings, then click Reset. If that doesn't help, try restarting the NVIDIA services. Open Task Manager, right-click on the NVIDIA telemetry container and NVIDIA GeForce Experience and choose Restart. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall the GeForce Experience app, uninstall it from your computer, download the latest version from the NVIDIA's official website, and reinstall it. Thank you for watching How to Wave. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful solutions.